Good morning to everyone. Myself B. Tulsi Koteswari Bai, lecturer in chemistry, Sir CRR College for Women, Eluru. I am dealing the subject chemistry for semester 5, paper 5A. Title is Inorganic, Organic and Physical Chemistry. In this video, I am explaining the topic structural isomerism in coordination compounds. In structural isomerism, different isomerisms are possible. These are polymerization isomerism, ionization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordination possession isomerism. What about first of all, what are isomers? Isomers means compounds having the same molecular formula but difference in their structural or spatial arrangements. Now let us define the structural isomers. What are structural isomers? Compounds having the same chemical formula but different structural arrangements are called structural isomers. And this phenomena is known as structural isomerism. This isomerism is common in organic compounds since organic compounds are wide in nature, but there are number of coordination compounds are also possible. This isomerism is also possible in coordination compounds. Now let us see the structural isomerism in coordination compounds. This type of isomerism is possible due to the difference in the type of chemical linkages and the distribution of ligands within and outside the coordination sphere. First isomerism is polymerization isomerism. Actually, this is not a true isomerism. This is not a true polymerization. Since polymerization means the number of simple molecules combined to give a big molecule. Here, the polymerization is not takes place. But these isomers having the same empirical formula but different molecular weights. Empirical formula means simplest formula. That is, these isomers are having the same empirical formula, same simplest formula. But these isomers having the different molecular weights. Such isomers are known as polymerization isomers, and that phenomena is known as polymerization isomerism. Moreover, the name polymerization is also a misnomer at this place, since no actual polymerization of simple materials to the more complex one occurs. But the difference among the polymerization isomers are differences in their arrangements, but not in the number of repeating units. Examples for these isomers are, first example is PTNH3 twice Cl2 and PTNH3 4 times PtCl4. In these two isomers, these two isomers having the same empirical formula, that is same simplest formula. That is, here in the first isomer one platinum atom is there. In the second isomer there are two platinum atoms. In the first isomer, there are two ammonia molecules. In the second isomer, there are four ammonia molecules. In the first isomer, there is only two chlorine atoms. In the second isomer, there are four chlorine atoms. That is, these two are having the same simplest formula, but these are not similar. First complex is non-ionic complex. Second one is cation and anion. Both are complex, but these are having the same empirical formula. So these are taken as the examples for the polymerization isomers. Now let us explain the second example. In this, in the first isomer is a polynuclear complex. It has two cobalt metal atoms and 8 ammonia molecules, two bridged OH groups, and 4 bromine atoms and 2 water molecules. The second isomer is having only one cobalt metal atom, 4 ammonia molecules, 1 OH group, 1 water molecule and 2 bromine atoms. That is, these two are having the same simplest formula, same empirical formula, but these are different in nature. So these two isomers are considered as examples for the polymerization isomers. Next, second type of isomerism is ionization isomerism. This type of isomerism arises due to the exchange of groups or ions between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Due to the exchange of groups between coordination sphere and ionization sphere, these isomers yields different ions in solutions. For example, if we take the first complex, that is CONH3 5 times BrSO4, and the ionization isomer for this is CONH3 5 times SO4 Br. These two complexes are having the similar formula, but there is a small difference. In the first complex, sulfate ions are in the ionization sphere. In the second complex, bromide ions are in the ionization sphere. So first complex ionizes to give sulfate ions, second complex ionizes to give bromide ions. First complex is red violet in color, second complex is red in color. So these two isomers are formed by exchange of bromide and sulfate ions. So these two are taken as examples for the ionization isomers. Second example is, in the second example, there is exchange between one NO2 and Cl groups. In the first complex, NO2 group is ionized. In the second complex, chloride ion is ionized. The third example is, here the exchange of NO3 and SO4 groups takes place. In the first complex, SO4 group is ionized. In the second complex, NO3 ions are ionized. So ionization isomers are formed by the exchange of groups or ions between coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Next, third type of isomerism is hydrate isomerism. What are hydrate isomers? Hydrate means water molecules. Hydrate isomers are which differ in the number of water molecules attached to the metal ion as ligands in the coordination sphere. That is, there is a difference in the number of water molecules attached to the central metal ion in the coordination sphere. Such isomers are known as hydrate isomers, and that phenomena is known as hydrate isomerism. Examples for these is are CrH2O 6 times Cl3. In this molecule, 6 water molecules are attached as ligands to the chromium metal atom in the coordination sphere. In the second complex, there are only 5 water molecules attached to the chromium metal atom as ligands in the coordination sphere. So, to satisfy the secondary valency, one chlorine atom comes inside the coordination sphere. So, there is a difference between the number of water molecules in the coordination sphere. In the first complex, there are 6 water molecules in the coordination sphere. In the second complex, there are only 5 water molecules in the coordination sphere. So, such isomers are known as hydrate isomers. Next type of isomerism is linkage isomerism. This name includes there is a difference in the linkage, there is a difference in the bonding. So this type of isomerism arises due to the presence of two different donor atoms in the same ligand. Such ligands are known as ambidentate ligands. That is, ligand having two different donor atoms, but at a time one donates the electrons to the central metal ion. So either through two donor atoms, it forms two different complexes. So the best example is nitrite ion, whose formula is NO2 minus, which may attack the metal ion either through the nitrogen atom or through the oxygen atom. It is attached to the nitrogen atom, then it is named as nitro. It is attached through the oxygen atom, it is named as nitrito. Then two isomers are formed. By considering this example, these two are having the same molecular formula, same chemical formula, but difference is in the first complex, NO2 group is attached to the metal through the nitrogen atom. In the second complex, NO2 group is attached through the cobalt metal atom through oxygen atom. First complex is yellow in color, second complex is red in color. Such isomers which differ in the bonding are known as linkage isomers. Next type of isomerism is coordination isomerism. In this coordination isomerism, this type of isomerism occurs when both cation and anion are complexes. This isomerism is caused by the interchange of ligands between two complex ions of the same complex. That is, from one complex to another complex, exchange of ligands takes place. Examples for these are, first example, in the first example, CONH3 6 times and CrCN6, these two undergoes exchange of ligands to give another isomer, that is CrNH3 6 times and COCN6. So here chromium is attached with ammonia molecule, cobalt metal is attached with cyanide ligand. So there is exchange of ligands takes place between two complexes of the same coordination compound. Such isomers are known as coordination isomers. Second example is CONH3 6 times and CrC2O4 thrice. In this, the exchange of ligands takes place, that is, oxalate ions are combined with cobalt metal ion and ammonia molecules are combined with chromium metal ion. So, exchange of ligands takes place between two complex ions of the same coordination compound to give another isomer. Such isomers are known as coordination isomers. Next, last isomerism is coordination position isomerism. This is a special type of coordination isomerism and can occur in bridged polynuclear complexes. Polynuclear complexes means its name include, poly means number of nuclear. It contains more number of metal ions, where the coordinating group may be present in the same number but may be arranged themselves differently with respect to the different metal ions. So such arrangements are known as coordination position isomers. Examples are, first example, in the first example, for the first cobalt there are 4 ammonia molecules attached. Second cobalt, 2 ammonia molecules and 2 chloride ions are attached. In the second isomer, for first cobalt, there are 3 ammonia molecules, 1 chloride ion. Second cobalt metal ion, 3 ammonia molecules and 1 chloride ion is attached. So, there is a difference in the arrangement of ligands in the coordination sphere. Such isomers are known as coordination position isomers. In this, the first complex is unsymmetrical. That is, for first cobalt there are 4 ammonia molecules, second cobalt 2 ammonia and 2 chloride ions. In the second complex, for both cobalt ions there are same number of ammonia and chloride ions. So it is symmetrical complex, it is unsymmetrical. In the second example also, for the first cobalt metal ion there are 4 ammonia molecules, second cobalt metal ion 2 ammonia molecules and 2 chloride ions. In the second complex, for the first cobalt ion, there are 3 ammonia molecules and 1 chloride ion. Second cobalt ion also 3 ammonia molecules and 1 chloride ion is attached. That is, these two are also having the same chemical formula but difference in the position of ligands in the coordination sphere. So, such isomers are known as coordination position isomers. In this, first one is having different arrangements to the cobalt ions, so it is unsymmetrical. In the second complex, there is a similar arrangement is attached to the 2 cobalt ions, so which is a symmetrical complex. These are the list of reference books. Thank you.